to our watermelon dessert factory. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how fresh watermelons are transformed into delicious...
Next pallet ready.
Copy that. Heading your way now.
This one is good, nice color. Okay, approved.
We carefully monitor the bricks level to ensure the perfect sweetness balance. The high-speed blending ensures a smooth
The consistency gauge is fluctuating too much.
I'm making a minor adjustment to the mix ratio. It should stabilize now.
This is where fresh watermelon becomes a delicious dessert. Every watermelon dessert is checked for taste, texture, and safety.
And that's how fresh watermelons are transformed into delicious desserts at Rally's, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI-powered factory tours and food process documentaries.